So today I'm going to change out the headlights for this Kia Sorento. I only have one light out, but I'm going to go ahead and change both. If you look at the lights, what you have is, this is your regular lights and this is your high beam. So I'll be changing out these ones here. And the lights that fit this, if you take a look for the 2016 Kia, is the H11. Now the thing is, these ones, you'll notice it's a purple package. On the back, it tells you the basic light pattern, and so it'll show with the extra vision, which is what I have. It has brighter down road, but the Silver Star and Silver Star Ultra not only have a wider light, but they have more clarity. I'm actually bothered by people who have these massively bright lights. It looks like their brights are always on, so I don't want to be part of the problem. I want to be part of the solution, so that's the one that I'm going to use. So I have my hood up, and I'm going to show you underneath the hood what it looks like. Now, in some cases, the Kias both have a dust cover that looks the same, but in this case it doesn't. You also notice that I have some gloves, only because I had them laying around. You don't necessarily need them, but make sure that you just don't touch the glass on the actual bulb itself. But if you scroll around to the inside here, remember this left one here, that is the standard bulb, and then you have next to it, you have the dust cover for the high beams. I'm only going to be changing out both of the standard bulbs, and so it will be this one here, which is on the far left side. It's pretty much the farthest thing on the left, and it's got that pattern on the dust cover that you can recognize. Here's the left cap itself. Remember, again, this one is the standard bulb, and basically what you do is you just grab hold of these and turn to the left counterclockwise, and it should just pop out. If you do have trouble, then don't worry about it. It just means that the dust cover itself has kind of gotten stuck, so you might have to use two hands. Not a problem. Once you have that, you just basically reach in and you'll feel the bulb. You can't see this part. And what you want to do is you want to rotate this as well, counterclockwise. Don't grab the base of it because you just want the bulb part. And if you try and turn the base, it's just not going to turn. You just want to pull out that bulb. Basically, I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can turn this camera a little bit more. Basically, on this part down here, you see these two wings, and you want to squeeze on those, and then this part here is the plug, and that's the part that you want to pull off. So let's go ahead and squeeze those wings. And it might hurt a little bit, but then that bulb comes off, and so you can see that that's it. And if you just want to test it to make sure that it's an H311, I don't think you can see this, but on the back, I said H311, no, it's just the H11 bulb. Anyway, so now you have the same situation with the new bulb, and it too will have H11 on that bulb, and you basically will grab this plug part, put it back in, and just push the bulb so that it connects. So now that that's connected, now you can go back in, and it seems like it's better upside down in that way. So you just kind of feel where the hole is, and then you basically you just have to put it in, find the grooves, and then twist clockwise. And then that should be in. and then you take your dust cover, fit it, and then turn it, and you're done. There's the new bulb working. Looks pretty good. And I just wanted to show you on that, when you're handling it, the reason why I wear gloves is because you never want to touch this part with your fingers. And that's because you have oils on your fingers that over time, with the heat of that bulb, it is going to provide hot spots in the bulb, and it's just not going to have the same life as it normally would, and you'll be changing these bulbs out a lot. So try and get gloves so that you're not having to change out the bulb a lot. This other side, which is near where you do your window wiper wash fill, and then also your coolant fill, and you can see it's kind of raining a little bit. But anyway, just in front of the coolant, you have another one. Now, I don't have a cap here for whatever reason. That's unfortunate. I'll probably have to make and improvise my own dust cap. And then, of course, in front of that, you have your high beams. But same process for changing it out. What I wanted to show you is if you look at the fitting, you've got a large opening, a medium, and then a small opening. And then also on your bulb itself, sorry for all that, you notice there's the large one, and then you've got the, I'm not sure if it's medium and small, it might be too small, but either way, your large one is the one that you want to kind of fit in that area. There's your left one. Boy, those lenses are horrible. I'll have to change out the whole fitting or the whole assembly. But both lights are working.